up, galera? It's Hey with Jinga and Grow Strong. We're back with another video. Today we're doing another 100 kick workout. Today we're doing a combination with last time's kick, which is armada, and now we're using pontapé or martelo. Okay, today we're going to kick from the front. So usually the sequencia cruzada, you do your spinning kick and then kick with the back. Today we're going to step forward, step to the front, and then kick with that front leg. Okay, so armada and martelo from the front. Okay, so don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Take the 90-second survey. Try to keep up with graduado tatu, and we'll see you. Let's get it. Ciao! Okay, that's 1 and 2. Remember, we're going by twos. This is why we're only doing 50 reps, because it's times 2. All right, we're going to do our armada, end to the back, step forward with that foot, and then release the martelo. All right, go ahead and keep up with graduado tatu. Let's go. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Jinga and grow strong.